we've made it to audit risk, one of my favorite topics, and really because there's a lot of light bulb moments to be had here, a lot of free, easy points, as long as we, understand what's going on. And hey, that's my job. Lucky you to make sure that you understand what's going on here. Audit risk is a formula. It's the risk that we are going to give the wrong opinion on the financial statements. That risk is made up of three different components: inherent risk, control risk, and detection risk. We're obviously going to dive more of those into depth as we get into our slides. We're going to see those and the components, how you can affect them, some risks you cannot affect. We're going to dive into that and so much more. Let's get into our learning objectives. Hey there. Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material. We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.